Hi, Jeff from CLENCO here. Just want to take a few moments to introduce you to our Rio range of cold water blasters. The CLENCO Rio range includes single-phase and three-phase versions, supplying between 10 and 21 litres of high-pressure water each. The machines are very robust with built-in safeguards such as micro-leak detection, 30-second delayed stop and start, and a 30-minute total shutdown in order to protect the machine. Water can be directly fed from the mains water or sucked from a tank. The machine also features a built-in chemical system. The machine is easily maneuverable, fitting into tight spaces and featuring a locking front wheel. On the handle, there is facility to attach an optional hose reel. The water inlet is located at the front of the machine, and it also features an easy lock high pressure hose connection, a high pressure gauge and an unloader. A robust on-off switch is located at the back of the machine. The machine has a built-in chemical tank. CLENCO Heavy Duty is a excellent degreaser for workshops, but you can also use car and truck wash in there. To clean a surface, first turn on the machine, then using high pressure rinse off the worst of the dirt. You can then drop the pressure by adjusting the nozzle, allowing the chemical to flow through. Foam the surfaces to be cleaned thoroughly, and then allow a couple of minutes for the chemical to work. Increasing the pressure again, you can blast off the remaining dirt, leaving the surface completely clean. Thanks for watching this video on the range of CLENCO Rio cold water machines. At CLENCO, we provide complete after-sales support, including holding an extensive range of parts. Our workshop technicians are also available to service and maintain all the machines we sell, either on-site or at our fully equipped workshop. Further information is available on our website, clenco.co.nz, or contact sales@clenco.co.nz. Alternatively, you can have a hands-on experience by viewing the machines at our showroom at 24 Harris Road, East Tamaki.